Hey everyone, this is Amaury from 6 Wood Studio, and today I'm going to show you how I built this Inlay trivet. Among the different suggestions, the client chose this bird design. Good choice, but not the easiest one to execute. The lines are thin and some angles are really acute, so gluing the two pieces together might not be as simple as it looks. Here we are working with mahogany. We will be using two bits. The one you see here is a 1/8 inch bit, which is around 3 mm, and it will be used to remove material quickly. Usually, when I work with inlays, I try to use end grain as much as possible. The results are better, with almost no tear out or wood chips. But a trivet is not a cutting board. It needs to have a light and refined appearance, so I chose to go with face grain instead. And this comes with its own challenge. With end grain, I can go into finer details without risking any tear out, but here I have to modify the design to limit tight areas and therefore reduce the risk. But that's not the only challenge. If you look closely, the bird design is in one piece and will end up being 30 centimeters long, or if you prefer 12 inches. We are now using a 6 mm bit with a 10-degree angle. It really looks like the CNC is connecting the dots here. The CNC is quietly doing its work here. This is a perfect moment for you to subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out our future projects. The female part, also called the pocket, is now ready for gluing. So let's move on to the plug. We use the same process as for the pocket, but reversed, like a photographic negative. We also mirrored the bird. On the pocket, it was looking to the right, and here it's looking to the left. Here you can see the tight areas that will be challenging for the glue up. Now it's time to remove the excess material with this 8 mm roughing bit. I usually do this in 2 or 3 passes, because here the more material you remove, the less sanding you'll have to do later. I didn't record the gluing and clamping process, but trust me, it wasn't an easy task. Luckily, I have this 20-ton modified hydraulic press that helped a lot. Speaking of sanding, here's a fun exercise, trying to film with one hand and sand with the other. Sanding is done, and now I'm applying some food-safe oil, as this trivet could also be used for charcuterie board or even cheese board. And that's when you know I live in France. We're done here. Now we have the most beautiful trivet you have ever seen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more woodworking projects, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot to me. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to hear from you. See you in the next one.